everyone, in this Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm gonna be dyeing my hair red. मतलब hopefully red ही हो, अब पता चलेगा, समय बता देगा क्या color हुआ है. So we'll see what color comes out. Hopefully it comes red. But if you all follow me on Instagram, you all might have seen my stories and my crazy experiments on my friends' hair. So करते करते अब मुझे भी मन कर ही गया कि चलो खुद पे भी कर लेते हैं. So after hours of watching Brad Mondo के tutorials, I'm finally here doing it. I have got these Streax Ultralight का Vibrant Red. I bought 2 boxes of it. Hopefully it's enough, and we'll see what happens. I also have my cousin here. देखो देखो इसके बाल.
Subscribe to her channel.
Oh. So you all might have seen all my stories. I had done keratin treatment for her yesterday. So वो कुछ खास नहीं करने वाली है. She's just here. बस बैठे ही और कुछ नहीं. Anyways, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Pray for me. Shut up. दिख रही है तू? Okay. Anyways, I might be looking like really crazy, एकदम झल्ली right now, but that is because मैंने section कर लिया अपने बाल को, and I also changed my t-shirt. Cannot waste a BTS print t-shirt for this. So I did that. I have mixed the bleach. I mixed the bleach over here. डर लग रहा है. I'm sorry, mom. I don't know. See, this is what it is. This is not the first time I'm coloring my hair. मैंने शायद 10 बार color कर चुकी होगी. But every time you are about to do it, there is this feeling, you know, you're like, oh my god, what if my hair just comes off? मैं टकली हो गई तो. But anyways, let's get into right. See, I'm fumbling also. Let's get right into it. मैं सारा process नहीं बताऊंगी. I'll go bleach my these. I'm just gonna color this portion. So I'm gonna bleach all of this, put foil and all that, and then I'll come back. Okay, pray for me. Keep praying for me. हर step पे pray करना. Okay, bye. लाया था मैंने तेरे को. Okay, मैं अरे देना. Okay, अभी भी मैंने ग्लव्स पहने हैं. So मैंने नीचे के पार्ट को पहले ब्लीच किया है क्योंकि ब्रैड मॉन्डो ने बोला था. So it's basically रूट्स को तुम बाद में करते हो क्योंकि रूट्स स्कैल्प से हीट आती है और उससे वहाँ के बाल जल्दी ब्लीच हो जाते हैं. So अब मैंने खाली नीचे के पार्ट को कर रखा है. I think 15-20 मिनट्स में मैं रूट्स को भी करूँगी. रूट्स से नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि डर लगता है. मे बी लाइक an inch away from the root, something like that. We'll see. Bleach तो काफ़ी बचा है, but we'll do that and then I'll see you all soon. चल बंद कर अब. Assistants, please, off the video. लगा दूँ क्या? इधर आ, मेरे बारे में 4 शब्द अच्छे बोल.
I'm speechless.
बोल. नहीं तो नेक्स्ट टाइम तो लेके आएगी अपना बाल तो फिर मैं क्या करूँगी? बता.
वो
मणिपाल 3 वर्ड्स मेरे बारे में बेस्ट बोल दे. 3.
वो मणिपाल की ब्रेडमैन रॉक है.
ओह यहाँ पे लग गया.
Subscribe to her channel, like, comment.
पहली बार आई है क्या YouTube वीडियो में? ठीक है फिर कंटिन्यू.
और आगे नहीं आता है.
Hit the bell notification. We just have to wait, or we don't have anything. We don't have anything better to do. Okay, bye. I hope कुछ ना हो, but कितना टाइम बचा है? Can you guys see this? मैंने फिर भी काफ़ी दूर रखा है रूट से क्योंकि I was really scared to go closer to the roots. So we'll see. कितना टाइम बचा है? कुछ भी मस्ती मत कर. Please ignore the mess, okay? मैं हॉस्टल में रहती हूँ तो इतना तो बनता है. Can you see this?
No.
Oh. I just hope मेरे बाल हाथ में ना आ जाए जब मैं धोऊं. Okay, I'll see you all soon. Bye. Do you all see this? Yeah. Though I feel like this side is a little more blonde than here. I removed the foils क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि मैं और टाइम रखूँगी तो मेरे बाल डिज़ोल्व हो जाएंगे, तो मैंने नीचे से फॉयल हटा दिया. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर लाइक द like part near my roots to get developed. थोड़ा हुआ है, but it's not as blonde as like the below part, so I'm just waiting for that. And थोड़ा bleach बचा था तो मैंने like अपने bangs के lower portion पे लगा दिया. So
She's rocking it.
I love this color though, huh? It's nice. Maybe someday I'll go to the parlor and get like my whole head blonde. I'll become a blonde.
Officially.
Shut up. Okay, then I'll see you all after I wash it and dry it, I guess. Bye. I'm sorry I keep seeing here because बाल देख रही हूँ मैं अपने बस. Bye. Can you all see this? Okay, it's a little patchy here though. I think I missed a few pieces, but I think once I color it red, it's gonna get blended. This side is comparatively okay, but I wouldn't say it's still perfect. But it looks so nice. Just look at this piece, dude. Ignore my pimple. Just look at that piece, dude. What the? My sister's gone to get blow dryer so that we can blow dry this and then put red on it. I'll show you how it looks. This video might be a little like all over the place. That's because I don't know how to shoot these kind of videos, but I wanted to put something for you all for some entertainment, so I'm gonna still put it. I'll blow dry it. I hope you all can see this fine. Okay, let me shift this tripod over here. Yeah, can you see this? And for some reason like my roots are like really, yeah, I mean not for some reason, it's science. See that? This is not the colored portion. These are just my bangs that I colored a little bit like from here. That's it. I kind of like it so far. One more thing is that this is more like blonde this side, and this side is a little brown. I don't know why I put it for the same time. I'm just hoping that when I color it red, the red looks same on both sides. I'm hoping. Yo! Excuse me? Who is this? I actually love it as it is. So I'm just gonna go out and chill for some time and come back. फिर maybe I'll do red. पकड़ एक second. Just see this. Excuse me. Okay, wait. Let me show you all pony बांध के भी. I'm so excited, dude. Excuse me?
Show them from behind.
What from behind? Excuse me, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna head out now and then I'll come back and shoot the rest of it back. Oh my god! Do y'all see this? Do y'all? Okay, मेरी आँख भी नहीं खुल रही अब. 1 sec. Okay. Do y'all see this? Excuse me? Okay, अभी I have completely dried it and अभी हम करेंगे red, जो मैंने कहाँ रखा है. पकड़ तो. इसके लिए यही इसका काम है. ये अच्छी दिख रही है.
Hi guys.
So अब हम इस पे ये डालेंगे. Sorry अगर मेरी आँखें. Oh my god, smelling. Oh my god, I'll die. अगर मेरी आँखें आपको छोटी लग रही हैं, that's because बहुत धूप है. Literally बहुत धूप है. अब मैं ये करूँगी and we'll keep it for 20-25 minutes. I actually love this as it is, but it's become really rough. So I think उस पर मैं रेड चढ़ा दूँगी तो थोड़ा सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा. एक मिनट मैं थोड़ा विदाउट सनलाइट भी दिखा देती हूँ तुम लोग को. अरे जाना. Okay, yeah. So that's how it looks in like indoor lighting. So let's go and do red. Bye. I know मैं बार आ रही हूँ और ये वो करके बाय करके जा रही हूँ. But that's how it is. और मुझे नहीं पता ऐसे वीडियोस कैसे बनाते हैं.
Stay hydrated and subscribe.
Hello, I'm back. I have applied red all over. ये तो फेंकना ही पड़ेगा, बट हाँ बीच में हमने मेरी मम्मी को वीडियो कॉल किया था. She legit cut the phone. She was like, "Don't talk to me." And again, mind you, this is not the first time I'm coloring my hair, but I'm not sure ये कैसा red होगा दो, क्योंकि लग तो थोड़ा ऐसा light red रहा है. I just hope it's not orange. We'll see. Now we have to wait for 30 minutes and hopefully it looks good. Okay. Bye. Move.
Scenting. Darla.
This is amazing. अब मैंने it's still like really wet. I'm gonna blow dry it and show you all the final look. But I love it. पकड़ एक second. Just see this. Just see this, like. Excuse me.
Excuse me, miss.
Okay, I'll just blow dry it and be back. Bye. I cannot. Okay, wait. See. Oh my god. I absolutely love it. अभी भी थोड़ा सा गीला है तो. But excuse me. Anyways, this is my outro. I absolutely love. Again, you all might be noticing मैं कैमरा में देख ही नहीं रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं खुद के बाल देख रही हूँ.
She's a narcissist.
I really love this. So my final verdict is you all should definitely try this. It's like a really nice color. Hey, I'm matching my shirt. Anyways, I think this looks really nice. Y'all should definitely try it. I'll link it down in the description, and I hope you all enjoyed this crazy experiment. I'll post photos when my hair dries completely, and I'll see bloody soon. Bye. Annyeong.